Hey, hello, hi all. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechGrantha. So the last video session we went for the load runner series is the something information about the latest version of the load runner is the 2020. What are the new features came? What are the new functionality was there? So today on the same Micro Focus 2020 version, we are going to discuss about what is the new feature came on the Vugen side and also on the controller side. We will discuss about more information. So let's see. So first thing is like once you will open your Vugen, right? So here you can see on the start page that the things has been updated on the latest version. You can see the recent activity, what are the scripts you created and what the date and where your script has been saved. So that information you can see. Apart of that, on the right hand side you can see what is the news, like something if the latest version came, some any of the new patch came on the latest version of the Micro Focus. So those informations also you can see on there. And also the one extra feature is there, like you can see the three symbol is available, like the load runner professional, which is nothing the previous version it was Vugen your, and if you come on that one load runner enterprise, that is nothing like on the performance center on the latest version of the 2020, and the load runner cloud, that is the same on your dev app, which is the new feature came on the 2020 version with the cloud activity. Now we'll go on the file menu. We will create the new script and we'll see what is the new features came inside that. We click on the create button. Okay, so once you will create the new screen, so here you can see like the some of the minor modification has been changed on your options, like there is a recording symbol, then you can see the compile, then one by one step by steps also you can do the modification. And a part of that, if you see the minor changes, like once you will click on the integration, right? So on the integration, if you click on the upload to load an enterprise, so the upload into load an enterprise is nothing like the performance center. So once you will click on that button, here you need to enter the server detail of your performance center and you need to enter your login and password. And after that, once you will click on the connect, it will connect on your performance center machine. Okay, now a part of that, there is some minor changes came on the, if you go on the help and the help center. So if you see on the previous version, right, there is only the local help center was there. Here you can see the online and local both available is there, functionality is there. So any of the way you can take the help of the inbuilt functions of the load runner. Okay, so a part of that, now if I will come on the performance center, which is nothing like the load runner controller machine. So if you see there, the lot of good features came on the controller machine, like once you will create the scenario, if you go on there, so that UI is really so much good on the load runner latest version. Here you can see you can add those graphs according to your requirements. So those are the by default 4 to 5 graphs will be there, but according to your informations you can add those graph also. Okay, so whenever you will run the script, the graph will also reflect there. And the one good feature is there, if suppose I want to extract the transition response time graph, right? So just click on there and you can export to the HTML, and you can directly open your graph on the HTML format also on your browser. That is a feature which I like so much on the latest version of the 2020. Okay, so those are the some minor small features was there. And a part of that also, you can see if you go on design, and if you go on sorry okay, let me, if you go on result, like there is a some runtime setting also has been came with the good information. Let me see. So there is a lot of feature is came there, like you can go and you can collect the informations about that runtime settings, so that the UI is also so much good on the latest version. So I will just come back again on there. So that is the one good feature which I just face. There is a very good graphical representation about the latest version. So that things just I want to discuss on that video. So if anyone have any confusion, any doubt, you can comment in the comment box and I will try to help you guys. Okay, so thank you so much, and please share the videos to your friend and colleagues. Thank you so much.